In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer USDT from Trust Wallet over to RedotPay. So RedotPay is a crypto debit card. If you need the debit card, you can click the link in the description and you'll get $5 for free. What you need to do is get the deposit address for USDT from RedotPay. To do that, click on deposit and then you can choose. I'm going to choose here USDT. We're going to choose USDT on-chain deposit, and you can go ahead and choose the network here. So my USDT is on the BNB Smart Chain. So what we're going to do is we're going to just choose BEP20 here. Now we can copy this address and we can go ahead and enter Trust Wallet and we can click on send. Now let's paste in this RedotPay address and we can go ahead and click max here. Click next. You're going to see the fees, and if you're happy with those fees, click on confirm. Now that's processing. We can go to transaction details and you can see it has now been sent. If we enter RedotPay now, we should be able to see this updated in a second. And there you go, the deposit was successful. We can go ahead and then spend this USDT on the virtual or the physical debit card.